Many decades ago, when we were not visible to the nature, the beautiful deep dark night sky must be infixed with ravishing deep sky objects, which is very difficult to see nowadays. But if you still want to see these dim dark beauties, you have to pursue your passion with madness, one night at a time. I'll show you what are the few things you need to have to take a cool images of night sky. First, in order to take a long exposure shot, you need to have a better tracking system. Else, you need to have a lot of images for stacking. So first thing first, we need to have a gear system. This is a 3D printed tracking system with NEMA 17 stepper motor, automated using Raspberry Pi 4. This system can take close to 6 kgs of load. Next, we need a DSLR camera and a tripod. This time I'm using Canon 80D and 18 to 35mm lens along with it. And the last and the most important thing, you need a dark sky. So I decided to pack all this and go to a bottle class 3 region.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Yo misma me guío a la libertad, el Aymara. Un indio me guía a la libertad. José Gabriel, el cóndor canqui, el gran Tupaki, es Tupac Amaro, el gran Tupac, que son mis hermanos cordilleranos. Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Un indio me guía a la libertad, de la yo misma me guío a la libertad. José Gabriel, el cóndor canqui, el gran Tupaki, es Tupac Amaro, el gran Tupac, que son mis hermanos cordilleranos.
The village where I was heading, it was actually quite far from the city. So I visited few nice places on the way. Hope you love the greenness of these places. Taking images of stunning deep sky object is no easy job. It takes time, lots of time, money, concentration, and at the end of it, the reward which you will get, that is something which makes you happy. But it will never be perfect. That helps to continue this run. The quest will continue.